Hi teachers, I want to take a couple of moments of your time to show you a new resource that we have on campus that I think would be really valuable for you and your grade level as you're going through and planning and carrying out some things in the spring. So this resource has many different things that you'll be able to use, I think. So let's take a look at it. Let's hop online. First we're going to go to ClassLink, which is the little cloud icon. You'll double click and then sign in with your regular district credentials to ClassLink. Now this has a ton of resources on ClassLink that are single sign-on, so you can use anything that's on here and get there quickly without having to put in another username and password. But the one we're going to look at today is World Book Long. So you'll go over here to the encyclopedia and click. There's several different levels of encyclopedia that students can use here, but the thing we're going to look at is the Early World of Learning. Now when you click it, there's a few different options you can do. One of my favorite things about this website is the Classics section. So if you click here on the frog, you'll see that there's Story Corner, Nursery Rhymes, and Songs. So if I go over to Story Corner, there's lots of different folk tales, fairy tales, and fables that are available here. That means that if my whole grade level decides to use the Gingerbread Boy, we could all have this displayed in our classroom and not have to worry about everybody having a copy of the book. Everyone would have access to it. So when I open it up, you can go page by page here on your Promethean, and it has the pictures and words with it. If we go back here to Nursery Rhymes is similar, and so is Songs. So let's go back up to the top right to Home. There is a section here called Know It. So this would be a great section to use for researching if you're modeling research. So let's say that you're going to research people at work. You can click here. It gives you lots of options. You'll click the Open button, and it will give you some information here. Okay, if you go click the back button and go back up to Watch here, these are some videos that you could again have in every classroom so that you wouldn't have to worry about having your own copy of anything. But let's say you were doing animals. You could click here on the animal videos, find something that interests you, and again watch the video by pressing the play button down here. It gives you a little sound bit. Additionally, there are the read sections. I'm going to go back up here to the top. There's a read section that gives you some leveled readers here. If you look over level A, level B, level C, level D, and if you open them up, you can go again page by page here. The kids could go through and use this during station time, or if you wanted to use one of the books as a read aloud. I believe there are some in Spanish as well, and I believe that some of them do read aloud. So there is a Spanish option here, and you can open and take a look through there and see if some of them may read aloud also. Additionally, there's a play section that kind of has some games that put in order, concentration, multiple choice, and sorting that kiddos could use during a station time. And then there's a print and do section that has some coloring pages if you would ever need a coloring page there, in English and in Spanish. Those are quick printables if you have some indoor recess or a time where you would need that. So I just wanted to show you this resource here called Early World of Learning. Again, there's lots of things that you can do here, and I thought this may be useful for whenever you are doing some team planning and need some of the resources to be the same across the different classrooms. So if you have any questions about this, please just give me a shout in the library. Have a great day.